how to attach a spade bit to your DeWALT Impact Driver. Now, spade bits come with different ends like this. Now you can see this one has the correct end for this impact driver, or for any impact driver for that matter. It needs the cutout like this in the bit. Most bits, this is a drill bit, will be just round like that and will not attach inside your impact driver. So what you need to do, so if you have the bit correct like this, most people won't, you just slot it in and you can then use your spade bit in your impact driver. If you don't have this and your bit is round like this, you can get a separate chuck, and I'll make sure it has the hex bit with the cutout. Add it to your impact driver, and now that is stuck. Then you just enter it into your give it one tighten, and there you go. So if you don't have the correct end like this, you can get the separate chuck. I will leave a link to these separate chucks. It will let you utilise any bits that your impact driver doesn't take. So hopefully that helps you how to attach a spade bit to your impact driver of your DeWALT drill. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.